Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, so I know that the first day of Shawwal, I am not allowed to fast for whatever reason, whether it is for the purpose of paying back my missed fast or on a voluntary basis. But what if I'm in a situation where I'm in a country, as for my case, I'm in an island city-state, where it is still the month of Ramadan, that is 30th of Ramadan, but the neighboring countries are already celebrating the first day of it, which is 1st of Shawwal, and I'm intending to travel to a border town of that neighboring country, which they have already celebrated the 1st of Shawwal, and I'm still fasting. And by the time, if I were to reach to that intended destination, is it perfectly fine for me to still keep on fasting? Jazakumullah khair.
Wajazakum. First of all, the issue of fasting and breaking your fast for Eid is dependent on sighting of the moon. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, in an authentic hadith, fast when seeing it, that is the crescent, and break your fast, that is for Eid, when you see it. That is a crescent as well. And he also said, alayhi salatu wasalam, the day of fasting is the day when you all fast. And the day of Eid is the day when you all celebrate Eid. So you're part of the community and you cannot go against them. If you are in a country, you fasted the 28th, the 29th, and then they said, oh, tomorrow is Eid. Then you have to celebrate Eid with them because you're in the country. And if there is an adjacent country that fasted 29th and the 30th, they still fasted it. Unlike your country, they did not celebrate Eid. This is their right. They have to fast because they are in that country and everybody else is fasting on the 30th. Now the question is, if I fasted the 28th and the 29th in my country, and just before sunset, I traveled to this country and I reached there and they are fasting the 29th like my country. The following day, they said, today is 30th, we're fasting. While my country said, today is Eid, we're not fasting. Who should I follow? You should follow the country you are in at the moment with the Muslims who are fasting, and you must fast with them. The only time that you may skip fasting is if you were in your country on the 29th and the sun had set, and then they said, oh, we see the crescent. Alhamdulillah, Ramadan is over, tomorrow is Eid. So now for you in your country, Eid has been established. And 5 minutes later, you take a plane and you move to the other country. And they say, tomorrow is 30th, we're fasting. In this case, you don't fast. Why? Because it is Eid for you, khalas. Ramadan is over. And you saw the crescent with the people who are celebrating Eid. When you go to a country that are fasting, you cannot fast with them. But don't show them that you're celebrating Eid because you will go against all of them. Rather, pretend that you are fasting and actually it's your first day of Eid and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.